Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create game pass on Roblox. So many of you asking me they are getting error while creating game pass. So in this video I'll show you how to create game pass. So go to roblox.com. So since the new update guys, the interface has been changed completely, and if you are not familiar you will not be able to create game pass. So just follow me in this video. Just tap on the create option. So just tap on create option, and in the experience tab, just tap on this image. So when you create an image, just tap on three bar and tap on associate items. So you can see that many of you asking me that they are not being able to see passes options. So as you can see, this is clearly, you can see that this option passes. Just tap on it to create pass, and just tap on the create pass option. Fine, just tap on it to create game pass, and now it will ask you to upload a image of game pass and enter the name of game pass, and enter the description. And to create game pass, just tap on this button, create game pass or create pass. So I'm gonna upload the image of game pass. So now just name it, yes, and it is just for the demo. So now you can tap on create pass button. Fine. So when you tap on create pass, so the pass will be created, but it is now set as off sale. So just tap on the game pass, newly created game pass, and now again go to menu three bar and tap on sales, and enable it for the sale and set the price of it. So I'm gonna keep it at 20 robux, and just tap on the save changes. As you can see, now it has been set for the sale. So now you have to set up a stand for the game pass in please donate. So if you want to know how to set up the stand for the game pass in please donate, I have recently uploaded the video on that, so you can go into description and tap on the link to watch that video. So you will get the idea after watching that video. So hope you like it. So that's how you can create a game pass. You can see that you won't face any problem by following this method. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Yeah.